Welcome to our quick comparison of FrankenPHP and PHP-FPM, two popular PHP execution methods. Today, we'll see how they stack up in performance. First up, what are they? PHP-FPM, Fast CGI Process Manager, is the traditional way to run PHP on servers, known for stability and widespread support. FrankenPHP, a newer, innovative approach combining PHP with an asynchronous server, designed for high concurrency and modern workloads. Now, let's look at the benchmarks. In tests, FrankenPHP demonstrates higher throughput under heavy load thanks to its asynchronous capabilities. PHP-FPM, meanwhile, performs reliably with consistent response times, especially with traditional workloads. Here's a quick glance. Under a high concurrency scenario, FrankenPHP handles more requests per second. Latency remains lower with FrankenPHP during peak traffic. PHP-FPM offers very stable response times, making it ideal for predictable workloads. Choosing between them depends on your needs. If you're building real-time apps or handling massive concurrent connections, FrankenPHP might give you the edge. For steady, reliable performance with mature support, PHP-FPM is still a solid choice. FrankenPHP, high concurrency, modern async features, better for real-time applications. PHP-FPM, stable, mature, ideal for traditional PHP sites. Thanks for watching. For more in-depth benchmarks and tutorials, subscribe and visit our website. Happy coding!